Ugh, thank goodness it is beanie wearing season. Fall capsule wardrobe time marks a transition into a season where layering is an art form. So I always talk about how key classic pieces are what makes up a strong foundation for a capsule wardrobe. Blazers, shirts, the perfect jean, the perfect pant. But what if you took those classic silhouettes and just added a little twist of design, a little touch of edge? Today, I am excited to show you pieces from designers that do just that. I've been lucky enough to create a refined capsule wardrobe using pieces from Fabrique, a collective designer brand that collaborates with over 300 designers, including legends like Adriano Goldschmied. AG jeans were one of my first luxury pair of denim, yeah. If you do like any of the pieces you see here today and would like to invest in them yourself, I will link them down below in the description as well as that. I'm always looking out for you. I will include a 12% off discount code, so you can find that down there as well. So one of the best parts of today's collection is its elegantly designed fashion pieces that are still comfortable and functional. Gotta have it all, you know? Gotta have all the things. So let me walk you through these standout pieces that I've included from Fabrique. Okay, so first we have the Drake jacket in waxed faux leather by Sebastian Munir, adding that bold twist to an outfit. The Hera blazer in worsted wool blend by Efja Karamolecue, a classic, but with a contemporary edge. Cassiopeia pearl embellished crop top in silk wool blend by Daphne Wright. This crop top is a versatile piece. You know, you make me wonder. The Cleon trousers in semi-worsted wool by Nelly Say. These trousers are your go-to for a polished look with comfort. The Dacisa wide leg pants by Clara Asia. These wide leg pants bring comfort and sophistication together. Rasa striped pants in cotton by Victoria Chan that works perfectly for both casual and semi-formal settings. Crisp double waistband straight jeans by Talia Shavalov, both flattering and fashion forward. Kirsten striped pullover sweater by Jesper Borgesen. A cozy yet stylish pullover, the Chelsea hand-frayed hem sleeveless top in a wool blend knit by Sebastian Munir. This top adds texture and a touch of raw edge. The Estelle cinched waist shirt in cotton by Talia Shavalov, offering structure and style in one simple piece. Dacisa detachable hoodie blazer jacket by Clara Asia, a versatile blazer with a detachable hoodie offering both style and practicality. And the roll contrast edge t-shirt in cotton blend by Fabrique Basic, a simple yet effective basic. Don't you know you gotta live it up now, all around, slip inside, you'll never. So I'm adding in 2 of my own current basics, making a total of 14 clothing pieces. 4 bottoms, 6 tops, and 4 layering pieces. Doing the math, I may have had AI help me a little bit. That means I can get 96 outfits out of this capsule wardrobe. So for over 3 months, I could wear a different outfit every single day. Goodness knows that won't happen because mama loves an outfit repeat, but good to know I have those options. For today, I've curated 7 of my favorite looks for a week in the life lookbook. From work to casual everyday to chic, cozy weekend. Here to say, you can have it all. Monday, the power of classics. Start the week strong with classics that never fail. The trusty blazer and trousers combination gives you a polished look, perfect for any work setting, whether you are working from home or in the office. A little bit of contrasts adds a bit of edge. Tuesday, creative comfort. For a productive work from home day, the Estelle cinched waist shirt keeps you looking sharp while feeling comfortable. This shirt adds structure while the Dacisa pants keep it comfy, cozy, yet still with an elevated style edge. You know, business on top, loungy on bottom. However, this still keeps it chic. So you're covered. For add a bit of texture, you could layer over top the Chelsea sleeveless top. Wednesday, midweek elegance. You know, to help you get over that hump day, maybe infuse some elegance with this pearl embellishment crop top, balanced beautifully with the wide leg pants for a flowy chic look.
But when I met you, my words finally came true.
Thursday, edgy transition. Thursdays call for an outfit that transitions smoothly from day to night, you know, for those Thirsty Thursday happy hours. It's been a long time since I've been to a Thirsty Thursday happy hour. This waxed faux leather jacket adds the perfect edge to these striped cotton pants, ready for whatever the day throws at you. Friday, cozy yet refined. Let's end the work week on a cozy note without sacrificing that style. We never want to sacrifice style. This striped pullover is both comfortable and chic when paired with the right tailored trousers, like the Cleone. Saturday, weekend chic. Saturdays are for versatile pieces. You've got a chic, comfortable look for any weekend plans that come at you. Sunday, relaxed refinement. Sundays should be about relaxation. Or they are for me anyways, but that doesn't mean that you can't look refined. The sleeveless top and wide leg pants offer a laid back elegance perfect for a day at home, but also ready for any neighbor that may drop by for a glass of Prosecco. Thank you to Fabrique for giving me these pieces to create such an elevated yet comfortable everyday capsule wardrobe. And there you have it, 7 days and 7 looks. Endless possibilities. Or I guess 96 possibilities.
And now I'm not alone anymore. And my home is in your arms. Oh, and my home is in your arms. And my home is in your arms. Oh, and my home is in your
That's it for today, folks.